The market speaks constantly through patterns, and the option chain reveals exactly what it's planning to do next. Market tick sounds, moving charts, and the option chain dashboard all work together to communicate what's really happening beneath the surface. Every candle triggers a market reaction, and that reaction is shaped by the invisible flow of money moving through the system. When open interest shifts, you'll see red and green bars flicker across the screen, showing real-time changes in market sentiment. If you know how to listen, the market will tell you exactly what it plans to do. Today, we're not just studying option chain, we're trading with it in real time. Real movement, real open interest, real predictions, and live trading combine to form a complete active market analysis approach. Welcome to Money Mastery, your step-by-step guide to financial freedom and wealth creation. Mastering option chain analysis connects directly to achieving financial freedom and building long-term wealth. Live option chain breakdown reveals 4 critical elements: support identification, resistance identification, trend analysis, and precise trade timing. Real-time support shows you the price floor, where buying pressure stops the market from falling further. Real-time resistance shows you the price ceiling, where selling pressure prevents the market from rising higher. Real-time trend analysis leads to identifying either breakout signals or reversal signals at key decision points. Breakout signals indicate continuation, while reversal signals suggest a complete directional change, 2 opposing market movements. Entry timing and exit timing work together to form a complete trading strategy based on option chain signals. Let's decode the market as it breathes. We're diving into live market analysis, where the option chain reveals the real psychology driving every trade. Right now, the market sits at 21,950, and before we touch any chart, we turn to the option chain to see what traders are really thinking. Let's start with support, the fortress where bulls plant their flag and defend key price levels. Support isn't a guess, it's built on 3 pillars: the highest put open interest, rising change in OI, and consistent put writers holding the line. When big players load up on puts at 21,900, they're sending a clear message: this level will not break. That's our first live support, a green zone where bulls are actively defending and the market finds its floor. Now we shift to resistance, where bears draw their line in the sand and block upward moves. Resistance forms when we see the highest call open interest, rising change in call OI, and aggressive call writers stepping in. Bears are stacking up at 22,000, building a wall with heavy call positions and steady premiums that signal strength. You shall not pass. With support and resistance identified, we can now map the live trading range where the market will move. Support at 21,900 connects directly to resistance at 22,000, forming the boundaries of our trading box. Inside this range, the market dances back and forth until one side finally breaks. Range trading opens up opportunities for strangles and credit spreads, while directional trades should wait for a confirmed breakout. This is the moment that separates amateurs from professionals, watching change in OI for breakout or reversal signals. When call OI drops, put OI climbs, price pushes toward 22,000, and volume surges, a breakout is forming. The bears are retreating and bulls are charging. But if call OI spikes, put OI falls, and price gets rejected near resistance, a reversal down is coming. Bears just deployed reinforcements, reversal down likely. Let's make this practical with a live example trade at the support level. Price hits 21,900, put OI surges, call OI drops slightly, and premiums decrease, all confirming bulls are defending. This live confirmation tells us bulls are holding strong, making a call trade the logical entry right here. Stop. When both call and put OI collapse together, something big is about to happen. Call OI drops, put OI drops, and implied volatility rises. All 3 signals point to big players exiting before a major move. Big players are exiting. A huge move is loading. This setup is perfect for long straddles, long strangles, or directional options that capitalize on the coming volatility. Even with the best signals, traders still make critical mistakes in live markets that cost them dearly. Jumping into breakouts early, ignoring OI behavior, trading during news, and averaging losers all lead to one thing: discipline loss. In live markets, discipline is everything. Let's bring it all together and recap what makes a professional option chain trader. You've mastered live support reading, resistance reading, OI flow analysis, and breakout detection, the core skills of professional trading. You can now spot reversal signals, avoid market traps, and catch big move signals before they unfold. Professionals don't trade on emotions. They trade on information, and that's exactly what you've learned today. If this live demonstration made the option chain crystal clear, hit like and comment "Live Again" if you want more real-time breakdowns. Subscribe to Money Mastery for cinematic, powerful trading education that guides you step by step toward financial freedom and wealth creation. Now, get ready for the next episode in this series. Video 28 focuses on intraday trading using option chain, showing real-time entries and exits. In that episode, we'll cover exact entry points, exit points, and momentum shifts using today's concepts in a live intraday environment. These live executions will sharpen your understanding, boost your trading skills, and build your confidence in real market conditions.